Are you feeling exhausted, frustrated, and feeling like quitting YouTube? Well, you are not alone. Most creators go through this. And today we are going to be talking about the truth behind YouTube burnout and how you can identify it and what you can do to avoid it. What is YouTube burnout after all? So when you notice that you are feeling unmotivated, creating content now becomes, it feels like a chore to you. You don't feel that passion that you once had. You barely create time to create your content. It feels like a chore to you, You're just generally unmotivated. Now, that's not abnormal because even the successful YouTubers go through this as well. They experience it as well. So it's normal to have experienced this type of things, but today we are going to talk about it. Why does YouTube burnout happen? It can happen when you have unrealistic expectations. Like you are expecting to have a viral video when you are just starting up. You are, expecting perfection when you should be focusing on progress. You are generally just having too much expectations for your young self because you are still young when it comes to creating content on YouTube. And so having unrealistic expectations for yourself and for your channel can lead to burnout. Okay. Also, comparing yourself with other creators and overworking yourself, not creating time for self-care, not creating time for inspiration to refresh yourself can also contribute to you feeling overwhelmed and later on feeling unmotivated and thereby experiencing this burnout. So now that we know what can cause YouTube burnout and what YouTube burnout really means, so now let's go over how to avoid it. How can we avoid it or at least manage it? First of all, you want to start creating realistic schedule. Okay, if you are busy and you know that you cannot meet up with daily posts on your YouTube channel, so you have to work around what works for you. Create realistic schedule for yourself. If you know that you can be consistent with posting once a day every Tuesday at 3 p.m., stick to that, at least for the time where you know that yes, you can achieve this. Do not go around trying to force yourself to post 10 video a week when it's clearly too much for you, probably because of your schedule or other factors in your private life. So work around what works best for you. Do not compare yourself to other creators that are posting 5 times a week or even 2 days a week. Okay, so do what's best for you. And then another thing is create multiple videos at once, like create videos in batch. Personally, I do this as well. I have specific days of the week where I record my videos in batch. Okay, I even record some videos also for Facebook. I record the ones for my YouTube channel. Okay, this can be 2, 3 video, 5 videos, 6 videos at a go. Okay, so you record your videos in batch, thereby reducing your daily pressure. If you are planning to record your videos daily before posting, it's going to be very stressful because aside from creating content, I'm sure that you have your private life. If you are a mother like myself, you have a family to run, a household to take care of, so you cannot afford to be shifting your daily post on each day to create it fresh and then edit. No, it's going to really cause you to be overworked, overstressed, and thereby leading you to YouTube burnout. So you have to find a day that works best for you where you can actually have a quiet time to create your videos in batch, and then find another day to edit them, schedule them, and then you are free for the rest of the week. Okay, so try and implement all these tips and see how it affects you positively. So kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that next time I drop a video, you'll be notified. Okay, so let's go straight to the third point I have is take breaks without guilt. It's okay to rest in between. It's okay to take a break, to refresh yourself, to strengthen yourself, to just take care of yourself. It's okay to do that. As long as you are not quitting, it's okay to take a break. Okay, it's very okay to take a break. You don't have to feel guilty about it. If you are someone who is creating valuable content, I'm sure your audience will be patient enough to wait. Even if they don't see a video in 1 week, I'm sure they will be patient enough to wait for your next upload. So learn to take a break when your body and your mental health needs it. Then the other one is focus on progress and not perfection. I cannot emphasize on this enough because we are very quick to focus on what's not working and what could be better, and we forget completely what is now working better for us. Let's assume when you started your channel, you had 0 subscribers, yeah? So now maybe you have 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers, yeah? Why don't you focus on that? Like, if you can grow your channel up until 500 subscribers, 300 subscribers, 100 subscribers, it's only a matter of time that you will get your 1,000 subscribers and beyond. Okay, it's all about staying consistent and showing up for your channel. So instead of focusing on what is not working, focus more on what is working, and then find solutions to other things that you think needs solution. And of course, you're not going to solve all the problems at once, so you take it one step at a time. Break your goals into doable task. Okay, don't set unrealistic goals and then you start to feel unhappy, unmotivated, and depressed because in the first place you set unrealistic goals for yourself. Okay, I know people are getting 1,000 subscribers within the space of 2 weeks, 1 month, and all that. Maybe your case is different, and that's okay. So you just have to learn to be patient and do what you can and while you are growing your channel. Now, if you are still looking for ways and strategies to grow your subscribers and your watch time, I have created a video about how I got my 1,000 subscribers, or how I am, the strategies I'm using to grow my watch hours and subscribers daily. So you can watch that video. I will put it here on my end screen. So do well to watch it, take notes, and implement immediately. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let me know in the comment section if you have ever felt unmotivated before, because I know I have felt unmotivated countless times, but discipline and consistency always pushes me to show up. Okay, sometimes you might even have to sacrifice an hour or 2 of hours of sleep to make these things happen, but I know that in the long run it's going to be worth it. So don't forget to subscribe. I remain Angela, the face behind this channel, always happy to inspire, motivate, and educate, and also to help you with tips and strategies to grow your channel. Bye for now.